let's both start it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey! Ano ba? Why are you so grumpy?
Go.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna show you December favorites. Basically it's just products or items that we really like for this month. So do you want to start, Andrew?
Yes, I will start.
Do you want to do alternate?
Sure.
Yeah.
So I will go first. My first fun product of the month is this shirt I'm wearing. Dun, 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 dun.
No, I really want to steal that shirt. It's so cute.
Well, we live together,
Oh,
so
that's right. I forget.
I got this for Christmas from one of either it was my cousin or my aunt.
I think Aunt Sheila.
But anyway, it's
It's
a
super
cat in a
cute.
spacesuit.
It's super cute. Those doe eyes. Okay, my turn, I guess. Are you done with your first item?
Mm-hmm.
My turn. Okay, my favorite for this month. Actually, I don't remember when I got it. Probably November. So I've been using it for over a month now. It's the Kiehl's. Still not a pro at doing this. Andrew, it's really not gonna focus if you show your face. Anyway, I'll just post a picture somewhere. It's the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. It's a gentle liquid formula cleanser that's supposed to clean your face without over drying or stripping the skin. And it's really good at doing its job because every time I wash my face with this, just removes all my makeup. If you're looking for a product that would really remove all of your makeup, I would definitely recommend this. 2 thumbs up. Yeah, and it's for all skin types. Done with my first product. Your turn. What? What's your second product?
My brother gave me this book for Christmas.
What's that?
It is Pimp by Iceberg Slim. It was written, well, it came out in 1969 and it's written by a pimp named Iceberg Slim. And it's about pimping in Chicago through the 40s and 60s. And this book was really controversial whenever it first came out because it came out in the late 60s and it was about pimping. And yeah, it's just an autobiography of him turning out and making them, you know, sell that pimping. Dave Chappelle even does a joke on this book. Well, not on it, but uses it as a joke in his latest special. That's how I found out about it. I never heard of Iceberg Slim. But
I
now
don't even know him.
Well, he's a pimp.
Okay. Now I know that he's a pimp.
Used to beat his clothes with wire hangers. That was very nice of him, I guess.
No. Okay, my turn. Second product of the month would be the all beauty products. It's the TRESemmé Expert Repair and Protect 7. I don't know, 7? I haven't even tried. Is there 7 or 6? Yeah, this is 7, but I haven't even tried 6. But anyway, I don't know if it's 7 because it's 7th edition or 7 because it has 7 uses. But it's really good at protecting the hair before I iron or straighten my hair or dry my hair with a hair dryer. I've noticed less split ends, so that's always a good sign. So this is a very inexpensive product. I think, I don't know how much, but it's inexpensive. I usually just order I will post somewhere, but I order it from Amazon and it usually comes in packs, so I'll post somewhere. Your turn.
This was a gift to myself for my birthday. I saw this on the internet and I had to get it because it's not around here very often, but it's from this English band, the Verrucers. It's One Struggle, One Fight. This album came out in 1985. They're like a anarchist, like hardcore punk band, but this album has more of like a not crash, but like a crossover sound.
Is that a cat?
It is a cat.
Oh.
It's black.
Show him the cat. Zoom it in.
You can see our light in our camera. There you go. So yeah, this this is this band was actually one of the first concerts I went to whenever I was younger. And
what's your favorite song in here?
I don't know. I just like the whole album. Yeah. That's the cover. The Verrucers.
Huh.
I haven't played it because I want to keep it in good shape. It's old. It's as old as I am.
Okay, next. Okay, this one is it's Dr. G Aquasis Water Soothing Gel Cream. Aquasis, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a Korean brand and it's very, very hydrating. Okay, I tried it, well, I've been using it every night, but the first time I tried it, like, I even put this on your face. The first time I tried it, like the next day, my skin was so soft and just hydrated. I didn't notice any dry patches anywhere on my face. Yeah, even if it's just for one night, like overnight, if you use it overnight, you can see dramatic effects the next day. And yeah, it says here it's 48-hour lasting, so it's about 24 to 48 hours. Well, in my case, I use it every night. Sometimes I would skip like a night, but I have not noticed any breakouts. It's just, it keeps my skin smooth and just soft. Like, especially now because it's cold outside and we're all I mean, ano ba, dry skin. So this is retailed at $42, but I got this, we got this from Riley Rose, which is, well, there's one in Frisco, but they're closing, so they were like 60% off.
I'm trying to lighten make it more.
You're the one who's I'm doing this.
Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Don't listen to Deco, she's being all arty. Look at her face.
Give me. But yeah, it's super hydrating. When you first apply it on your skin, it's like so wet, like you just washed your face again. Because I apply it obviously after I wash my face, after I cleanse my face with the Kiehl's. Well, actually Kiehl's, and then the next item that I'm gonna show you, and then this. So like once you put it first, I mean, it just feels like you wash your face, like your face feels wet, and then you feel the moisture after it's being absorbed. Ooh, special participation. After it's been absorbed, it just feels so just moist and kind of sticky for a minute, but then it like softens. So I like it because it's not as sticky during the night. Your turn.
Dun dun dun.
I got it for him.
This is Nas's Illmatic. If you don't know about it, it's on Spotify. Go listen to it immediately. This is a reprint.
I like Nas,
but it's a black. There's our camera and our light again. But this is like 180 grams. Yeah. So
I thought you were gonna say 180 grand.
Yeah, this is a pretty heavy duty record, so if you drop it.
Let's test it.
Anyway, this is probably one of the best rap albums ever made. This guy kills it. There's not a bad song on here. I think it comes with the download code. It does. I'm not going to show that because if you fellers out there want to steal it, because I would.
Don't steal it.
It even says right there in the hype sticker, a masterpiece. It's not zooming in on it, whatever. Illmatic. Nas from Brooklyn. I think Brooklyn. Definitely New York.
Okay, well, on the bottle it says, you cannot see it, obviously it won't zoom, it's the emulsion remover, but the brand name is called Mizuhashi Hojudo emulsion remover. And it's a really good cleanser. After I wash my face with the this is what I showed you earlier, the Ultra Facial Cleanser, ultra, because it really removes everything without over drying your skin. This is what after I dry my face off, this is what I spray, and basically what it does is it just removes the rest of my makeup on the side, which doesn't get washed well because of my fault. if I wash my face in the shower, then you know it's obviously gonna remove all of my makeup, but since you're using the stick, you know, you don't really reach the sides of your face, so I use this. And I don't know, it's just so good. It says cleansing lotion, but to me there's something in there, probably like collagen and whatever, but it says it dissolves sebum impurities and makeup, but I think it also like makes your face, from my experience, it makes my pores feel tight and just my face feels like I've, you know, went to the spa. So this I got for about $20, I think $23 over at Riley Rose, but unfortunately they're closing, so I don't know how I'm gonna get my next product because this is almost gone. Probably gonna order that online because definitely that's gonna be my maintenance product. That's it for me.
Looks like a spray bottle to me.
I mean, it does. It is a spray bottle.
It's the last one for me. This is Blondie's Parallel Lines. This is my favorite album of theirs.
It's a good album.
This is actually an import from France, and it was actually pressed in France. It's got the, you can't really see it, but it says made in France right there. So, but fortunately didn't have to pay import prices on it. This is a reprint because the original presses on these were like real flimsy, like you can like bend them and they're not really good. But yeah, black again. All three records are black. That's kind of a rarity for me. There's our light, our camera. But this album is super good. Yet again, there's not a bad song on this album.
I agree.
It's also on Spotify, Blondie, or any streaming music service because we're not sponsored by Spotify. But if you want to sponsor us, hey!
Hey yo!
But yeah, my wife got me this for Christmas too. She did.
Yeah, so those are all our products that we strongly recommend this month, and well, for me, every month. These are, I guess, my staple products. I would definitely purchase, like if I had top 2 of my top 4 this month, I would definitely repurchase. Oh my god, it's so hard. But
it came in this Bobo ass cardboard sleeve. Look at this. That's a good way to scratch your records up. You hear that? The only reason they did that is because the lyric sheet's on here.
Oh yeah, lyric sheets. I didn't even notice. Yeah, if I had top 2 among these 4, I would definitely repurchase these 2. This because it does so well at removing my makeup, and this just feels like if I'm feeling lazy and I just wanna, you know, wash my face and then, you know, put something on, I would use these 2, just these 2, and then I can go without doing any other makeup products. I mean, not makeup, skincare products. So yeah, definitely what we recommend. It's those trusted products.
We have to show you a little behind the scenes. Let me pick you up right here. So we have a special guest producer today. I keep looking at here, not here. We have a special guest producer today.
I know, she's so tired because she's been really busy at doing all the production.
Anyway, oh, there we are.
Anyway, it's a lazy day for us.
It's raining finally. Ooh, that's
fine. No, just adjust. So it's a lazy day. We just stayed home the whole day.
And tomorrow, hopefully. And then Monday we go to work, and then it's New Year's Eve.
Are you off on New Year's Eve or just New Year's Day?
I am off on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day.
Lucky.
So.
Yeah, so.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you want
me, if you want to watch me, if you want me, if you want to watch. Guys, please subscribe. Please help us. Please support our channel by subscribing and liking our.
Give us ideas for different videos. Ooh. And there's other producer giving her opinion.
Nomi's just the money, what do you call this? Our producer who gives us money for videos and stuff. Yeah, see? Right?
Anyway, comment down below about whatever. If you're having a good day, if you're having a bad day, don't worry. Tomorrow can always be better. And oh shit, I gotta show you the most important.
I'll hold it. Just. Oh, baby!
Look how big he's gotten already.
No, I don't want him to get bigger. I want him to be as tiny as possible. Okay, that's it. Please like and subscribe to our channel and keep watching. Bye, guys!